Water is an increasingly precious commodity, and finding sustainable ways to increase supply is a critical part of any comprehensive water management strategy. Recent regulatory decisions have made subsea intakes the preferred alternative for desalination plants. The HDD Company, located in California, has developed a process for installing subsea intakes for desalination plants utilizing established horizontal directional drilling techniques. This process is an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional installation techniques. The subsea intakes are installed using a four-step process. First, a pilot hole of approximately 10 inches is drilled to a predetermined location in the aquifer. Once that location is reached, the drill string is removed and the reaming assembly is placed on the drill string. The second phase involves reaming the hole to 1.5 times the diameter of the final pipe assembly. The third phase, which takes place concurrently with the reaming, is the installation of casing to ensure the hole for the intake pipe remains open during the installation of the intake. The fourth phase is the installation of the microporous HDPE intake pipe. Once the pipe is installed, the casing is removed, leaving the intake pipe in place. There are many advantages to this process over more intrusive intake and well installation methods. A smaller footprint is needed for the intake installation than typically used for a slant well. Environmentally, the HDD Company's process substantially reduces entrapment and entrainment mortality for sea life and the associated cost, while virtually eliminating any impingement on the marine environment. Regarding construction, our approach provides substantial savings over marine construction costs. Using subsea intakes eliminates the need for the months of permitting required for traditional marine construction and also eliminates the safety concerns of operating in a marine environment. The microporous HDPE is lightweight, durable, and flexible with a high bend radius, making it the ideal product for this application. Operationally, using subsea intakes provides much higher quality feed water. The virtual lack of turbidity means low silt density and greatly reduced levels of total suspended solids and total organic carbon. There is also a built-in natural filtration process that virtually eliminates microorganisms prior to filtering into the pipeline. Finally, the entire pipeline is protected from environmental conditions, reducing maintenance costs. While primarily focused on desalination projects, our process is also applicable to environmental wells, horizontal wells, and freshwater intakes. We at the HDD Company believe we offer the most effective and efficient process to provide high-quality feed water to your project. We look forward to working with you.